gyrocos or gyrocompass is a gyroscope widely used on the ship, employing electrically empowered. Spinning of gyroscope wheel is a frictional force among other factors of utilizing the basic physical law, influenced by the gravity of the Earth's rotation, and find the true north. When the ship is altering a course, I identify an in-depthly drive framework called phantoms move within it. About the rotor system continues to point northward. This is a lack of alignment enables to send a signal to a driving motor, which is the gyrocompass. So, which is move the phantom step within the rotor system again to the path of the phantom way to the cross only fraction of degree or several degree on the compass circle. As soon as they are aligned, electrical impulse are sent by the phantoms on the repeater compass for each degree on its travel. So what is cross-track distance? The route checking. This is a function of an ECDIS is limited to within the route XTD, for example, for abbreviation. XTD also means cross-track distance. The XTD limits a size of predefined as an company policy. With this regard to navigation, from the above case, it will be evidence to the implementation of the cross-track distance limit to the policy which navigates the travel inside of these limits. Crucial or ensuring the vessel safety by establishing and turn implementing each policy series identity and those accidents or incidents as case by described above could be prevented by the XTD or cross-track distance. So we should ensure proper setting of ECDIS for safety parameters in order to be aligned within the vessel under kill clearance or UKC clearance. Ensure the ECDIS alarm settings or proper company policy to ensure the setting of cross-track distance limit as per company policy. So it depends on the company. The cross-track distance. Ensure the route that has the vessel will navigate. Check all the possible navigational dangers considered and investigate all the alarms that ECDIS on the bridge equipments are generating. Ensure the proper implementation of the bridge team company policy regarding of navigation. Ensure the route of the vessel will navigate. And the last, ensure the proper lookout at all the time. The sounding. Let's talk about the sounding. The sounding is a datum reference. Is that so on a voyage, we should check our echo sounder or the sounding under keel of our vessel. So let's talk about the sounding. Sounding is a datum reference that is stated to the character title. In all case, the unit depth of used to show the chart title in the border of the chart in the bold type. It works through principle transmitting sound wave from the ship bottom and measuring the time taken from echo to be returned from sea. If a velocity of sound is water known for the time will be proportional in distance travel. The acoustic pulse is very short duration are transmitted vertically at the rate of 5 to 600 pulse per minute. Having a beam with an 12 to 25 degrees, these pulses strike seabed and get reflected back toward the receiving transducer on the echo sounder. Those echo or received echoes are converted into the electrical signal by receiving a transducer, and after passing through the different stage of receiver, the current supplied will be slowly which bumps to the coat line and the thin layer of aluminum powder and produce a black mark on the paper indicating of the depth speed. So let's see the echograph. This is an echograph. This is the depth that the transducer transmit to this echograph, and it will be, and this is the paper, or this is the echo line, the paper. This is the indicated depth under our keel, and there's a 2 sensor out there, and this is the technology on the echo sounder. So an echograph will accumulator of magnet passes to the sensor. Those sensors send the signal to the triggered unit, which is the pen that hit to the paper, blank paper, and encode the echo lines. This activate the transmitter timeline daily, which feed the high voltage of the signal transducer for an outward transmission of sound waves. Those sound waves convert to the echo line. The mark on the paper made an coincide departure of sound wave from the transducer. When the echo returns to the mechanical vibration, the electronic signal which is fed the stuli, this stuli makes the second mark on the paper. The depth can be read from the graduational or on the paper shall help the scale which is next to stuli, and the echo wire received after the stulis has gone past to the paper area, and those lines are the echo lines.